I have nothing bad to say about this case other than this right here. This is a little bit annoying that you have to use this thing to pull it out. There's not like any like way for you to like open it with your finger or anything like that, so you can't like take this little thing off. Something pretty cool about this case is this right here is the filter, so it's pretty simple to remove. And just like most of these cases that come pre-installed with a bunch of fans, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off the back panel here, and I'm just going to show you the fan controller that it comes with. I did test out all the fans, they all work and stuff like that. This right here is the fan hub, so you got two more RGB connectors, one right here and one right there. That way if you have like an AIO that you want to plug into this and you just simply want to tap the button to change the LED, then you can go ahead and do that. As far as the quality and the feel of this case goes, it feels great. Not many cases come with these anymore. I don't need to explain that. Buttons, you can see, and here, they sound pretty good. Front panel IO, yeah, whatever. Ports, we got USB 2.0 and then two USB 3.0s. And then you were going to have to install, so you got one RGB connector, front panel connectors. These are a pain in the butt. So like the Lian Li case over here, you see underneath there how it's literally one connector. That's one of the downsides about cases like this. I don't like that. So you got the USB, then you have your HC audio, I'm guessing this. Okay, no, this is another USB for the top thing up there, and then this is the HC audio, I'm pretty sure, and then you got your fan connector and everything. So yeah, overall it's a good case. Front panel, if you're shipping this, you're building computers for stuff, you're definitely going to want something that is going to protect this, because this is literally one piece of glass and it does not come off as far as like I can tell. But overall it's a good case. The Air 1000 Montech. One other thing I don't really like, I don't understand why some people do this. I don't like that, just because it's kind of hard to find white power supplies